In this video, I'm gonna turn this COVID picture into an old picture. So let's start. Okay guys, let's start from here. So if you go to the layers, you would find there's only this COVID picture. So let's add some noise. So go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise, and put it on Amount 5 and Distribution Gaussian. Press OK. And we need more noise. So go to Filter, Filter Gallery, and now go to Texture and make sure you put on Grain and the Intensity 15, Contrast 50, press OK. And if you zoom in, you'll see it's a bit noisy. So now we need to add some papers. So let's add the papers. So here are the papers. There will be a link in the description, you can download them. So the first paper is an old paper, and the second paper is an old paper effect, which is kind of a white noise. So go to the old paper and put it on opacity 80. And then go to the blend mode and put it on multiply. And then go to the old paper effect and put the opacity about 25. And you will have this effect, and we're done with the papers. So now we just need some adjustment layers. So go to the adjustment layer from here and go to brightness and contrast and put the brightness about 70 and the contrast about -25. And now we need some saturation, so go to the layers and add another adjustment layer from here and get hue and saturation, and the saturation put it about -35, and that's about it. We turned the picture into an old picture.